Well, here we are back on Gemini. It's Wednesday the 4th of March and we've just finally secured the bearers in their final position, i.e. 7-degree pitch, and I've attached temporarily the engine template, and I've just slotted in the bolts through here. I've had to use 8mm bolts because we need a little bit of play in them. Whether we can put some 10mm bolts in there, I don't know. We'll see anyway. So we're quite central. I've still got the piece of string here and we're dead central on this one. I'm now going to remove the string and perhaps put in the shaft itself to start measuring how close I am at the other end. One thing they decided here is that when we start to fit the engine, this board here is loose and will come out. I've already tried it out, and I'm going to build a couple of skids. They will fit here, probably come a bit further out than this one is now, so when the engine drops down here it'll slide onto here and we just push it in gently. Anyway, that's the theory. Not sure how to secure these on there, whether to leave it underneath. The sump could be a problem. If this is out of the way, that's fine, but there's a bit of a lip here and I need, I think it's 114mm, and this only gives me 110, I think. What's the string doing? Just 100, so I need another 14mm somehow. Anyway, I'm sure we'll work that out. Anyway, just have a look down the end there. Steady on. I haven't secured the bilge pipes yet because I may need to move them a little bit out from where they are, because you can see just over there I may need to move them a little bit to accommodate the water lock or water muffler, which are going to go down there somewhere, so we shall see. Right, so I'm now trying to put the shaft in, and I wondered what that bit of wood was doing. It's just perfect to holding up the shaft in the centralized position. Now, to check it's central in the stern tube, I managed to get a 3.5 in the top, the bottom and the side, but 4mm won't go in there, so it's about 3.5. So that's dead central now. And what I've got to check is that the shaft is, I think it's 66mm behind the gearbox front. So let's have a measure of that. So that's 66. No, bit of a gap. So I need to pull it forward a bit, and that's going to screw everything else up. There it goes. Right, that's 66. Let's centralize it again. But anyway, that's the methodology. Stop recording.